Hey, this is Marcel from Quick Licks. Just a video to talk about something kind of abstract, but have you ever gotten stuck with the same finger patterns all the time? Same riffs. Every time I pick up the guitar, I play the same kind of bluesy thing, or same kind of metal-y thing, same kind of Metallica thing, E minor. Your fingers get stuck in ruts. And there's an element of being kind of shy about playing and improvising and making stuff up. And if you're not into that and you want to get into it, one cool way is to establish a musical friendship with someone that doesn't really laugh or judge at weird things. I mean, you can chuckle and stuff, but one of the best jams I had with a friend named Keenan, he was into 20th century stuff and whatever contemporary stuff that was 12 tone and serialism, and the weirder the better for him. So sometimes we would sit down with our guitars and make utter nonsense, and we were comfortable, and we weren't we'd laugh sometimes, but we wouldn't stop playing. And I think if you keep playing through this, you're going to get more comfortable overall with everything you do. So not only that, it's going to lead you into some ideas. So if you spend 5 minutes with your friend answering, who decided what's music, right? Oh, I kind of like that. Whatever it was. So I'm not really thinking, well, there I started thinking pentatonic. But you're going to get ideas. It doesn't matter. You might get a heavy riff out of it. You will definitely come up with something. Mark my words. I'd like to hear what you come up with. Put it in the comments. No rules. If you want to get into songwriting, get into songwriting. Write a song. Write a bad song. Make it that the goal if you have to. Because it's really weird putting your feelings on paper and having your voice come out and be out of time, let's say, because you haven't synced up this and this, or piano and this, or the lyrics are stupid. So write some stupid lyrics and change them. Get them done. Get a song done. My first song was ridiculous. It was a metal song. How did that go? Something like that. There it is. I saw them hurt someone. I never saw anybody hurt anybody at that time, really. Maybe a little bit. But it's not that dramatic. So I just got it done. I don't play it. And I had this brilliant harmonic part. Oh, gee, how cliche is that? Right? So just do that stuff. Get it done, and then you will like something eventually. Here is one of the first songs I wrote that I actually liked. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nothing is going my way. That's what I hear people say. I had the worst day today. At least I know I'm something good. Lots of ways I know what you're thinking. It sounds like Metallica and Dave Matthews hung out, right? All right. So guys, have fun and create your own stuff, and don't be afraid to play your instrument. Have fun with your instrument. Don't just listen to your teacher. Why do we play guitar? Because it's fun, right? So let's do that, and hope to see some posts of what you create. All right. Take care. Bye.